Hi folks, here is how to set or regulate your notification frequency from our 5D Wellness Community Forum. Now on my side, I have set it so you get one weekly email and only when we release a course or you are allowed or you are entered into another course or a course is released. And you can also set it so you get notified when there's new events. You can always click here and see what's coming up. And here, click on week and you see what's coming up this week, next week. That's always a good way to check. And of course, let's talk about how you can set your own notification. There's a manage your account. And I'll show you that on my example. Share this tab again. And it lets you allow notifications. I recommend you let them do it. There's, of course, your name. You can adjust it. Your title, if you want a title. Your biography, you can add that. Here's an account feature where you can set your login email. You can add your phone number, your email, your Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn. If you get any certificates from courses, it shows it here. Later, if you upgrade to a paid one, you might get billing and subscription. Right now it says free, and there's a code where you can authenticate your account when you do that. In the communities, you can see where you are a member and where you want to be in. Then there's language settings, and here are the notifications. There's email notifications and push notifications. Push notifications are those little things that pop up on top of your screen or on the bottom. That depends on your browser, Chrome or whatever you use, Edge. And you can set email notifications. You can switch them on or off. So if something annoys you and you do not want to get them, like a new event created, you can close it off. Well, if you create an event, you probably want to get the notification. And as a member, a pro member especially, you can create your own events, even paid ones. You want to get the newsletter. You want to know if you have a certificate, but you can change your push notification. Now, you might not have everything that I have because, of course, I'm an admin, but you get the idea, right? So it's in the account setting. Let's go back to the group. Let me see. Let's go back inside. Here's a form. So here you go. This is in the manage your account on the top right. I also want to tell you about the chat feature where you can chat with any member privately, including myself. Go ahead. If you have a question, want to know something, ask me, ask another admin. You can see here in the member tab who's admin. And you can always ask any of us. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.